Bam. That's how we do it. That's a nice hole saw. Bam. That's how we do it. Oh. Boom. Get the handgun. Put it in there. Hopefully this goes the right way. Can you turn on that water a minute? Yeah. Tell me if it goes up in that sink. Check that sink. Is the water over there?
It's not come up.
Oh, he didn't turn it on. I thought he had it on.
Oh, let me.
And check that sink to make sure. Anything? No. Keep checking.
Yeah, I'll never see.
It's not like the skank. The videos are clear. Boom. Get the handgun. Stop recording.